Okay, it is July 26th, 2018, and right now we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I'll have to read it to you in a second, but there's actually...
National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay, as you can see, it just went off on my phone. Severe thunderstorm warning. So I'm gonna read this to you in a minute, but there's purple in this, and on the radars that don't usually, I have some radar apps and they usually don't show purple, and when there's severe thunderstorm warnings out, like, and how I have this one app that always shows purple in the storm. I don't really know what I'm saying right now, but oh, thunder. The radars that usually don't show purple for me are showing purple, so this is really bad and it's really dark. I don't know if we're gonna get hit by the worst part, but we'll see. So my camera is making it lighter than it actually is, but so right now I'm gonna read this to you. Right now we have 3 alerts. We have a special marine warning, the severe thunderstorm warning, and a special marine warning. I'll read the special marine warning to you. Strong thunderstorm approaching the waters. The area is infected. I'm just going to read this. At 1:05 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a broken line of strong thunderstorms capable of producing winds up to 30 knots. These thunderstorms were located along a line extended from Mount Clemens Harbor to Refuge 29. I don't know. Yeah, I'm going to read the severe thunderstorm warning now. Once it loads up. But man, that's dark. Alright, I'm gonna let that load up real quick. So I'm gonna pause it while it's loading. Okay, so it turns out that there is it only says on the warning that it says a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until I think it said 3:05, something like that. Because right now it is, I gotta check the time on my watch. It's 1:44 p.m. So I don't know if this is gonna hit us or not, but I hope it will. I think it's gonna go north into Woodhaven though, so. But that's really dark. But look, it's like really close though too, so I'll get back to you once it gets worse. The wind's picking up. Oh my god, that is so dark. This is gonna be kinda, I don't know if this is gonna hit us or not. But I'm gonna keep the camera on. And the camera's even picking this up to be dark, and the camera always makes storms that I film very light, so this is pretty cool, I guess. But it's pretty windy now, as you can see. That is dark. Okay, it's really windy now. I really don't know what to film because... What? I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, it's really windy now. Oh, I gotta go get that trash bin. Whoa! Flowers is... I wanna go get this trash bin. I don't know what to really do about that. I took the camera with me because I didn't want it to blow down. Because these winds are pretty strong. Oh, well, there goes the trash bin again. I don't want my camera to blow over, that's the problem. It didn't fall down. Give you a look at the radar. The red dot is where we are. I have to do everything on my phone because now my computer isn't working and it's starting to rain now. Alright, well it's about 2 o'clock, 1:52, and the street lights are on now. And it's starting to sprinkle. Like I said, I don't think we're going to get anything bad in this. I mean, up where it's all dark, that's where it's all bad, but I don't know what's really gonna happen here. Oh, thunder. Oh, and we have stuff coming after it too, but it doesn't have any warnings on it, but it's purple. But I'm using the radar that usually easily picks up purple, so. Get back to you when it gets worse. Well, it just started to rain. So I have to bring the camera in. If I put it on this chair. I don't think that'll work. Nope, it just goes back to regular. Let me try to get, okay, the tripod wasn't at full height. Get Charlie in. What are you doing? Oh, it already fell over. I couldn't get it to stand back up because the wind just kept blowing it down. Oh, it's good. It's hitting the camera. Oh my god.
Oh, there they went.
I told you. Alright. What about your umbrella? Okay. You're right back. Highest wind gust so far is 20 miles an hour. Alright, looks like it's almost done. It's 2 o'clock now. Alright, so I finally got it. Oh, we got another. Okay. So the hazard is 60 mile an hour winds, gust, and quarter-sized hail. The impact is hail damage to vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof sidings and trees.
bunch of them popped up,
What?
a bunch of storms.
Oh.
Check the radar.
The camera's still rolling. Yeah, but I saw it. Rain's starting to come in again. Now it's really raining. Right back. Alright, well, that's it for this part of the storm. Well, we're also in a little bit of a calmer spot, but based on what the clouds look like, I think we're almost done. And there is another part of the storm coming right after this, so I don't know when it'll be around, but I don't think it's severe, so. But as you can see, it's coming right behind it. It'll be here in a little. I mean, we might not even get it. I don't know. We might just get the small part of it. But as you can see, the storm is over now. And if the storm comes again, I'll edit it into this video.